Welcome back, Bayt Bucks family. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to excite your entrepreneurial spirit and tickle your curiosity. We're talking about the captivating world of niche subscription boxes. So, what exactly are niche subscription boxes? They've curated collections of products centered around specific niches or interests. Whether you're passionate about fitness, beauty, gaming, or even succulent plants, there's a subscription box out there waiting to surprise and delight you. What makes these subscription boxes truly special is the element of surprise and discovery. Each month, you'll receive a carefully curated selection of items that align with your chosen niche. From exclusive merchandise to limited edition releases, these boxes are designed to bring joy to your doorstep. Imagine receiving a box every month, filled with products you never knew you needed but absolutely love. That's the magic of niche subscription boxes. They introduce you to new and exciting products you may not have discovered otherwise. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your tastes and preferences, constantly surprising you with delightful treasures. Now, let's explore the incredible opportunity of starting your own niche subscription box business. Imagine being the curator, the trendsetter, the person behind the scenes who brings joy to countless subscribers. With a well-executed business plan, attention to detail, and a keen understanding of your target audience, you can create a brand that resonates with subscribers, forging meaningful connections and fostering a community around your niche. First and foremost, starting a niche subscription box business allows you to turn your passion into a profitable venture. By tapping into a specific niche, you'll attract a dedicated and loyal customer base eager to experience the joy of your curated boxes. Secondly, the potential for creativity and innovation is boundless. From sourcing exclusive products to collaborating with artists and designers, you have the freedom to create a truly immersive and unforgettable unboxing experience. So, my dear Bayt Bucks family, whether you're a subscriber or an aspiring entrepreneur, niche subscription boxes are a win-win. They offer endless excitement for those eagerly awaiting their monthly surprises, while also opening doors to unique business opportunities. Are you ready to unbox success? Dive into the world of niche subscription boxes and share your passion with the world. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on Bayt Bucks, where we explore innovative ways to make money online. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and join our Bayt Bucks family.